In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable Snap to Active Path on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top, and then you select Preferences. And then on the left side, if you go into Canvas Interaction, you want to select Snapping. And then on the right side where it says Snap to Canvas Edges, either check mark or uncheck that for both default behavior in normal and full screen mode, and then select OK to save it at the bottom, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.